Hi, my name is Akiva Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan, and we provide a lot of video information out there in order to educate our viewing public. Today we're going to talk about something very interesting in family law, an interesting issue regarding child support and those kind of issues, so please subscribe to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the issue of hiding income for the purposes of paying as low a child support as possible. The allegation comes up all the time where people say, well, you know, my ex tells the IRS he makes $25,000 a year, but I happen to know he makes way more than that. He just hides his income. He gets cash under the table. He fails to report this. He fails to report that. You know, and what can I do? How am I supposed to show this in order to get child support? Well, I want to tell you this. First of all, you have to understand that while the court has limits on what it can do, and while the judge is not going to conduct a search to find your soon-to-be ex's stash of money, the court is receptive to the notion and does well understand that people hide money. People lie about their incomes. People directly understate their incomes so they can pay less support. They do that all the time. So the court is receptive to it. So the best thing for you to do is reconstruct for the court what the income must be based on lifestyle. So for example, if somebody says, I only make $25,000 a year, they're saying they make about $500 a week. That's great. But here's the thing. If they got a $3,000 condo that they're renting, and they drive a $1,000 a month car, and they got health insurance and auto insurance, they got homeowners, they eat out 3 times a week at fancy restaurants, they wear expensive clothing, this and that, you can reconstruct to the court that the very basic bills that the person agrees that he or she pays cannot possibly be covered by $500 a week. So you can reconstruct from the court and you can say, look, based on this rent, these insurances, this vehicle, this auto insurance, this maintenance and gas, this all these things, this has got to be a minimum of $1,200 a week just to support these items. And you know it's going to be more than that because the person is going to travel, the person's going to have high-end activities, the person's going to do recreational things that cost money. So all those things considered, the court can take notice of the fact that while the stated income may be X, the court can say that by a preponderance of the evidence, the court believes that the income is significantly greater and can set support based on what it truly believes the income is. If you have any questions about that, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.